Understanding on-page optimization and its impact on search engine rankings. Understanding on-page optimization is crucial for improving your website's search engine rankings. On-page optimization refers to the process of optimizing various elements on your website to make it more appealing to search engines. One of the key aspects of on-page optimization is optimizing your website's content with relevant keywords. Conducting thorough keyword research will help you identify the terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your website's content, meta tags, headings, and image alt text, you can signal to search engines that your website is relevant to those specific search queries. Another important aspect of on-page optimization is optimizing your website's meta tags, including the title tag and meta description. The title tag is displayed as the clickable headline in search engine results, while the meta description provides a brief summary of the page's content. By crafting compelling and keyword-rich meta tags, you can improve the click-through rate from search engine results and attract more organic traffic to your website. Additionally, optimizing your website's URL structure, internal linking, and site navigation can also contribute to better on-page optimization. Creating user-friendly URLs that include relevant keywords, organizing your website's content into well-structured categories, and implementing a logical internal linking structure can help search engines better crawl and understand your website's content. On-page optimization also involves optimizing your website's loading speed, mobile responsiveness, and overall user experience. Search engines prioritize websites that provide a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Therefore, ensuring that your website loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate will not only improve your search engine rankings but also enhance user satisfaction and engagement. By mastering the art of on-page optimization and implementing these strategies effectively, you can significantly improve your website's visibility in search engine results, drive targeted organic traffic, and ultimately boost your online presence. Best practices for optimizing your website's meta tags, headings, and content. Optimizing your website's meta tags, headings, and content is crucial for effective SEO. These elements provide valuable information to search engines and help them understand the purpose and relevance of your web pages. By following best practices, you can significantly improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract more organic traffic. 1. Meta tags. Meta tags are snippets of text that provide concise information about the content of a web page. The two most important meta tags are the meta title and meta description. The meta title should accurately reflect the page's content and include relevant keywords. It should be compelling, concise, and unique to each page. The meta description, on the other hand, provides a brief summary of the page's content and entices users to click through to your website. It should be compelling, informative, and also contain relevant keywords. 2. Headings. Headings, also known as H1, H2, H3, etc., help organize the structure of your content and make it more readable for both users and search engines. The H1 heading should be used for the main title of the page and should include relevant keywords. Subheadings, H2, H3, etc., can be used to break down the content into sections and should also include relevant keywords. Headings should be descriptive and accurately represent the content that follows. 3. Content. Creating high-quality, relevant, and engaging content is essential for both users and search engines. When optimizing your content, make sure to include relevant keywords naturally throughout the text. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as it can harm your website's rankings. Instead, focus on providing valuable information to your audience. Use variations of your target keywords and related terms to create a comprehensive and authoritative piece of content. Additionally, make use of internal and external links to provide additional context and credibility to your content. By implementing these best practices, you can optimize your website's meta tags, headings, and content to improve its visibility in search engine rankings. Remember to focus on providing valuable and relevant information to your audience, and always keep the user experience in mind. With a well-optimized website, you can increase organic traffic, attract more visitors, and ultimately, achieve better conversions and success in your online endeavors. The role of backlinks in SEO and how to build high-quality backlinks. Backlinks play a crucial role in SEO and can significantly impact your website's visibility and search engine rankings. In simple terms, a backlink is a link from another website that points back to your website. These links act as votes of confidence and credibility for your website in the eyes of search engines. Building high-quality backlinks is essential for improving your website's authority and increasing organic traffic. However, it's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. Search engines value quality over quantity, and it's crucial to focus on acquiring backlinks from authoritative and relevant sources. One effective way to build high-quality backlinks is through outreach and relationship building. Reach out to authoritative websites, industry influencers, and bloggers in your niche and offer them valuable content or resources that they can link back to. This can be in the form of guest blog posts, expert interviews, or collaborations. Another strategy is to create engaging and shareable content that naturally attracts backlinks. When you publish high-quality content that provides value to your target audience, other websites are more likely to reference and link back to it. This can include informative articles, comprehensive guides, infographics, or research studies. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms and online communities can also help you build backlinks. Engage with your target audience on social media, participate in relevant discussions and forums, and share your content with the potential for others to link back to it. It's crucial to remember that building backlinks should be a continuous effort and not a one-time task. Regularly monitor your backlink profile, disavow any low-quality or spammy links, and focus on consistently acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable sources. By implementing effective backlink building strategies, you can strengthen your website's authority, improve search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more organic traffic to your website.